Yo, what is up, guys? Hit him with that. I'm gonna hit him with that. Had the channel my inner YouTuber. All right, what's going on, guys? So today we're taking the E85 GT86 all the way to Vegas in this video. It's for my boy Aaron's birthday. It's a good time. Didn't get to film too much just because, you know, we were there for a birthday. You know, we were just having fun. We were just vibing. Not too much car stuff, okay? So it's like, you know the vibes. This was actually a pretty big step for me with this car because this car is fully tuned on E85. I have no flex fuel kit or anything, so it's not like I can merge 91 with E85 or anything. So going to Vegas was actually a pretty big deal, and I actually had to kind of map it out because I can't make it there and back on one tank. I can't even make it there on one tank. So Vegas is, I'm going to insert how many miles away on screen right now. As you guys know, you do get worse gas mileage on E85, so there's that as well. So I did have to stop along the way. I did have to plan this, and I was betting on a lot of things going right. I was betting on, because there's pretty much on the way there was 2 gas stations that said they had E85. One of them did not. Thankfully, we did not go to that one, so we didn't have to experience that mini heart attack. So thankfully, we were able to make it home all the way there and back. I'll put some stats on screen. I'll cut in like halfway through the video or on the way home in the video of you know, how much gas it costs and where we filled up. So that way, if you're from Southern California and looking to make a similar trip to Vegas, you can use these gas stations, because I can confirm that these gas stations do have E85. So the internet can always be kind of wishy-washy when it comes to what gas station has E85 and whatnot. So anyways, nothing too major. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I got lots of content coming for December, like a lot. I'm talking like probably every single day of December I'm going to be posting a new video. And if you don't believe me, that's fine. You have every reason not to believe me. But anyways, lots of new videos coming in December. Not gonna lie, I've been slacking because Call of Duty Cold War dropped. You know, we be grinding that. Subscribe to my Call of Duty channel. It's in the description down below. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys at the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. All right, what's up, guys? About to go get my oil changed for free. Shout out my boy Robert. Well, it's not technically free, all right. I do got a little gift for him right here. It's a bottle of wine, you know. Alcoholism is so sad. How many likes can we get? Yeah, Robert, for some reason, he's on a wine kick right now. So in honor of him changing my oil for free at his work, yeah, we got him a bottle of wine. You know, he's on that wine kick really strong right now. He will substitute a Truly in there every now and then. So
Bro, if you drink this Truly, you're fucking goated.
Oh, what time is it, bro? What time is it?
5. It's literally 5. There's no way. Finish it. No, take it back.
But yeah, you know, he told me, hey, pull up at 4, and it is 3:53. I'm trying my best, Robert. I really hate these signs. But yeah, I'm gonna keep it real with you guys. We live in the US. There's 4 time zones in the US. You might think there's 3, but there's actually 4. Okay, you got Eastern Standard Time. You got like Central Time. We don't acknowledge that Mountain Time exists. And then you have Pacific Standard Time. So, you know, those are the 3 main ones, but there's actually one more. It's called Jake Standard Time, you know. I run on my own time zone. It's just a fact. And if you are a family or a friend or both, then you get to experience the Jake time zone. This is my time zone, and everyone else is just living in it. Also, my car's filthy, if you couldn't tell by my windshield. It's just so dirty. Alright, so this dude told me to park on the street. So we're gonna do just that. Probably right in front of this Genesis. Almost got one of those. Glad I did. I started texting Robert, told him I'm here. Just got a text message back. Let's see what it says.
Coming.
Pause. Speaking of which, there he is.
Gang.
Yo. Whoa.
Hey, we'll hop out the car, bro.
Okay. There is a gift for you. Oh, it's windy out. Holy.
It's chilly, bro. Let's get it. Oh, thank you.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Try it out. Tell me how you like it later.
I will. I'm gonna try it tonight.
Oh yeah.
Vintage 2013. How much was this bottle, bro?
I don't know. I'm gonna keep it real. I picked it off my shelf.
Hey, what's up, you guys? Autumn here. Starting our road trip off at a gas pump. It's Aaron's birthday. Actually, I can show you Aaron. This man's birthday. The whole reason we have to go to Vegas. Happy birthday, Aaron.
Thank you.
How old are you?
22.
He's 22. Old. He's also 22. Old.
All right, guys, we're on our way to Vegas.
You already know.
Got Aaron here. He brought his helmet. Possible go-karting. We'll see.
Beat the shit out of the females.
But where's the facial hair? I think we need a facial hair reveal. Oh my goodness, folks. This man really got the mustache out here. Unreal.
No biggie.
Whipping the rental Camaro right here too, the V6. In place of the V8 Challenger, which is coming soon. So We'll see, we'll see, we'll see.
Ow. As you can see, he finally cleaned his car. And she is in fact red, not orange. But she could be orange, we're not quite sure. One of us is colorblind, and it's not me. Keep going.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
But anyways, guys, the most stressful part here was getting E85 along the way. As you know, there's not very many E85 stations out there. So, and Las Vegas is pretty far. I can't make it on one tank. So it's not like I can fill up at my house and then go fill up in Vegas. So we did find this E85 station along the way. And thankfully they did have E85, so stress reliever right there for sure. We got another like 2 hours or so to Vegas. Maybe if we hit traffic in downtown, like 2.5 hours, that would be made it.
Look at this.
Yep.
Yep. Yep. Hey, get into it. Look at this. Outback Steakhouse. It's random.
It's taking everything in me right now to not be a degenerate, to be honest. Alright, well, it's not taking much out of Aaron, so.
Yo, there's Aaron. There he is, the man, the myth, the legend.
Alright, well, that degenerate almost just took out my girlfriend. But we really out here in Vegas. Do I look stupid with my mask like this? Should I just keep it on? I feel like it's above. Oh, okay. We're in Nevada. This isn't California. But safety first. Always wearing protection. But we really out here. This time next year, Aaron's gonna be whipping a V8 something. We don't know yet. We don't know yet. But he's gonna buy a car. Probably a Challenger.
Hopefully.
Yeah. What is this, a Ravens jersey?
Yeah.
In Vegas?
Yeah.
Interesting.
I'm gonna try not to get stabbed.
Yeah. You see,
Who?
social distancing,
Who
guys.
says no parking?
We're out here doing our part, you know. All right, guys, here we are in the hotel room. You know, I had to hit you with that room tour here real quick. We're gonna start with the bathroom at the front right here. It's actually our last day here. We're about to leave here in about 5 minutes or so. Cross my fingers that the E85 stuff still works out. But we got this nice tub right here. Pretty nice. We got the shower. Pretty big bathroom, not gonna lie. It's got a TV in it. That's how you know it's good. But we're gonna come back out here. There's the front door right there, the mirror. Pretty dang nice hotel room. I think it's called like a king suite or whatever, the Venetian. We got my phone alarm going off right here. It's pretty early. We got the nice bed right here. Super comfy bed, by the way. Slept pretty dang good. We got this railing right here, bro. Solid railing. That's how you know it's a good hotel room. It's got a railing. It's got some stairs right here to divvy up the room. You already know the vibes. We got the subway in the trash can. You know how it is. Only place that's open after, you know, 9 p.m. here. Not gonna lie. We got this nice table. It's pretty much a nice living area right here for a desk and everything. Pretty nice hotel room. Pretty spacious. And then we look out here. We got some 2 cranes right there. Not gonna lie, that's pretty scary. I'm afraid of cranes. Probably irrational fear. Let me know down in the comments below if you share the same fear. Yeah, we got a pool right there. We're on the 22nd floor, by the way. Not sure if I've mentioned that, but we're gonna head out. Home is that way. E85 station's like right there, allegedly. We're gonna figure it out, folks. And then we got this nice tower right here. We stayed at the Venetian, not gonna lie. Vegas is pretty cool. Not much of a gambler myself, not gonna lie. Put in 40 bucks though. Walked out 600. So you already know the vibes. Trip pretty much paid for itself. You guys see the Venetian going out of business soon. You know why? Sorry. Had to do it to him. But we got some Hallmark Christmas movies on. Don't have kids. But yeah, so we're gonna head out here. It's pretty good. Didn't really film that much in Vegas because, you know, it's my boy Aaron's birthday. We gotta have fun. You know, not much of a big drinker myself. I did down that at an alarming rate. Did it make me feel weird? Yeah. What a view though, eh? So yeah, cross my fingers that there's not some sort of E85 shortage or anything, and we should make it home. That way we should be able to complete the full road trip here on E85 in GT86 all the way to Vegas from Southern California. Let's go, boys. Let's get it. All right, made it back out to the car. Hop in. Pretty damn cold in this parking garage, so probably gonna take 2 cranks. Let's see. Yep, 110% 2 cranks. Let's go. All right, boys, so we're in the car. We're gonna head to the E85 station. Fingers crossed, we hit this one and we're set. So we did it, guys. Not gonna lie, we had a mini hardtack. There's 2, technically 1 pump, 2 sides. Pulled up, the one side we saw out of order. Pulled around, in order, so. And we got 4 gallons in us so far, so even if we were to run out right now, we'd probably be okay.
Hey guys, we're in the car. Jake's going 85 because he's a little bitch.
Okay, well, I'm being a safe, responsible driver. You know, this is how I've always been. I've never done anything stupid in the car before. We out here. We did it. We did it. As long as we make it home without, I don't know, getting in a car accident or something. We'll made it.
Why would you say that? Hey, I didn't even know.
This song gives me PTSD from kids in Fortnite. This is where Robert did his Eagle Scout project. Had to do it. Alright guys, that concludes today's video. I'll have a list of the gas stations that we stopped at that had E85 on screen on either the left or right side of the screen, not too sure. And so overall wasn't too bad. Spent maybe like right under $100 in gas, maybe a little bit over, maybe around like 110 or so. Nothing too crazy in this video, but we got plenty of content coming out soon this December, so hope you guys enjoy, stick around, and I'll see you guys in the next video.